Unit 1 Study Guide, Relationships of Quantities. These videos will help you with the problems on the study guide that will get you ready for the exam over Unit 1. So let's start with problems 1 through 4. These problems cover Concept 1, where we're using properties of real numbers to compare, compute sums, differences, products, and quotients. Number 1, the answer to a division problem is called a quotient. And just a quick review, a sum refers to an addition problem, a difference is subtraction, product means multiplication, and we'll just use the dot now in Algebra 1, and quotient is divide. Number 2, the value of 19/5 is between which two whole numbers? So if we think of 19 divided by 5, we know that that will go 3 times with 4 remaining. So that means that 19/5 is somewhere between 3 and 4. Number 3 asks you to estimate the value of the square root of 27, between which two whole numbers. So let's look at numbers that are less than 27 that we know are perfect squares. So if I just work my way down, 26, 25, I know that the square root of 25, meaning a number multiplied by itself that gives me that number, is 5. So I'll just write this here. So that means the next whole number up from 5 is 6. 6 squared is 36. So because 27 is in between 25 and 36, that means that the square root of 27 will be in between the square root of 25, which is 5, and the even square root of 36, which is 6. On number 4, we're rounding numbers using the rounding rule. So we want to round to the nearest 10th place. So that's the place just to the right of the decimal. So we look one number to the right, and we know that if it's 5 or above, we're going to give it a shove or round up. So that's what we'll do. And then if it was 4 or below, we would just have left that number at 0.2. But because we had a 5, then we round that number in the 10th place up to the next value.